So today I'm going to give you some opinions on this headphones right here. And these are the Sony MDR7506. And I tell you, this is going to come from a guy that has been using it for a long time. It has been many months since I got it. And I love it. Now, I do YouTube as well as other platforms all the time. So I don't use these headphones every now and then. I use it daily. And in fact, I do a lot of live streaming. So sometimes I wear them for an hour and a half, typically on my live streams. And it's just a long time. And I tell you, I really like this headphone. So make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And I'm going to give you a look right here just so you guys can see it. It's super important for you guys to monitor your audio in case something happened to the audio. You know what's going on, right? And that's kind of what I use it here for. I have recorded hundreds of videos already by this point. And again, that's kind of what I use it for. So just to show you, it kind of goes like this. So when you're going to put them away, this is kind of like how you put them away. The cable is actually super long. You're looking about 9.8 feet. I mean, this thing is pretty long. I actually have mine running from here underneath my desk. It comes from the other side and it connects to my audio interface. And again, you can see the cable right here. You can see how they fold right there, just to give you an idea again how the fold. And I'm going to give you another idea. I'm going to open it up just here so you can see that right there. I mean, these headphones are more designed for like podcasting, recording video, not so much to listen to music with bass and things like that. It's more designed for people that are trying to monitor the voice. And I tell you, the price is completely ridiculous. They are really inexpensive for what you're getting. Obviously, you can make some adjustments right here. As you can see, they open up and you see that right there. And they clearly mark right and left. I'm going to give you a look at the cup right here. And again, you can replace these cups and actually buy different ones, but it's going to be 40 mil and it's going to be over the ears, so your ears will be covered. The only concern that I have ever had in this headphones has been this cable right here. I always feel that you got to be kind of careful not to break him or something like that. But I tell you the truth, I have had him for a really long time and have never had any issues. I guess if you take care of your gear, it should last you a long time. But again, that has been my only concern. Other than that, they're really comfortable. They're really nice. You hear your voice just fine. And again, they have worked for me really well. So I'm just going to come close here and just going to give you a look so you can kind of see how they fit on me. They don't look kind of funny or anything like that. They look like just regular headphones. You see that side right here. You're going to see the top, how they sit in the top right here. And again, kind of like here as well. So to me, they look good. The cable is long enough. It does what it does. I can hear my voice with no issues. And again, I've been pretty happy with them. For the price that you get this, you really can't beat it. So again, Sony MDR7506. So far, I like it. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.